What if history is just a beautiful lie we all believe? History is often remembered through stories, not facts. Over time, complex events are simplified, uncomfortable truths are softened, and myths slowly replace reality. What we think we know about the past is rarely a lie created overnight. Instead, it is shaped gradually by power, fear, politics, and the need for meaning. Many historical myths were written long after the events they describe. They were created by people who were not witnesses but storytellers. Their goal was not accuracy, but order. Myths help societies explain chaos, justify authority, and teach obedience. Over time, these stories become tradition, and tradition becomes truth. Take the idea of heroic warriors. Across cultures, warriors are remembered as fearless, honorable, and loyal, but historical records show a different picture. Soldiers were often afraid, divided, and motivated by survival rather than honor. Fear did not disappear in battlefields. It was managed, punished, or ignored. The romantic image came later, written by those who wanted discipline without resistance. Empires are remembered the same way. We often imagine great civilizations falling because of dramatic invasions or legendary enemies. In reality, most empires collapsed slowly. Corruption, economic inequality, political instability, and internal conflict weakened them long before the final blow. The dramatic ending makes history easier to remember, but it hides the real causes. Even codes of honor and moral systems were rarely ancient. Many were written centuries after the people they describe had disappeared. These codes were often tools designed to control behavior, enforce loyalty, and create unity during unstable times. What we now see as timeless values were once political solutions. This pattern repeats throughout history. The past is not erased, it is edited. Some details are highlighted, others are forgotten. Stories that serve power survive, while inconvenient truths fade away. Over generations, myths feel safer than reality. Understanding history does not mean rejecting all stories, it means questioning them, asking who wrote them, when, and why. History becomes more human when we accept that people in the past were not legends, but individuals shaped by fear, ambition, and circumstance. The truth about history is rarely comfortable, but it is always more interesting than the myth. When we look beyond the stories we inherited, we begin to understand not only the past but ourselves.